Freelancing gives you freedom and then hits you with a $5,000 tax bill in April. Here's how to budget when income is unpredictable and never get surprised by the IRS again. Self-employment tax is 15.3% on top of income tax. Employers usually pay half. No withholding means you owe it all at once unless you plan ahead. Quarterly estimated taxes are due April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, January 15th. Set aside 25 to 30% of every invoice into a separate tax savings account. Never touch this money. It belongs to the IRS. When you pay quarterly taxes, you already have the money set aside. Budget from your lowest income month, not your average. Build 3 to 6 months of expenses as buffer before going full freelance. Pay yourself a salary from business account. Smooth out the peaks and valleys. Home office, portion of phone and internet, subscriptions, equipment. Health insurance premiums are fully deductible if you're self-employed. Mileage, 67 cents per mile for business driving in 2024. QuickBooks Self-Employed or Wave, free, track income and expenses. Separate business checking account is non-negotiable. Work with a CPA at least once. They find deductions that pay for themselves. Free freelance budget tracker and invoice log at funbiz.gumroad.com. Built specifically for variable income. Download the link in description. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.